tonight an aerial mystery that's been described as unnerving is growing.
The FBI now investigating multiple reports of unidentified drones flying over New Jersey, some as large as a small car.
And today, a large drone seen here, also described as the size of a small vehicle, flying over a California event where Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin was in attendance.
Hey! Hey! Go away! Shoot! I'll call the cops.
What's your emergency?
Yeah, I'd like to report a drone trying to spy on me.
Okay, is the drone trying to look through your windows?
I don't think so. Actually, I think it may have left.
Do you need us to still send anyone?
No, I'm pretty sure it's gone.
Well, have a nice day.
Alright, you too. Oh my god. No, that's it.